How to search for locations on Instagram using your iPhone 8 Plus. Instagram has updated its search feature, and many users no longer see the dedicated Places tab in the Explore page. However, you can still find location-based posts using the updated method. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the search bar at the top. Now, type the name of the location you're looking for, such as a city, landmark, restaurant, or tourist attraction. If the location doesn't appear in the search results, tap one of the posts or reels related to that place instead. Next, look for a location tag displayed above the post or just below the account name. Tap on the location name. Instagram will open the location page. Keep in mind that Instagram has removed or changed the old Places search experience for many users, so the results you see may vary depending on your account, app version, and region. This is the latest way to search locations on Instagram using your iPhone 8 Plus. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.